Astronomers have discovered an oversized black hole, the longest in space and time that has been found so far. It is located at a distance of 13 billion light-years, that is, only 690 million years old after the original Big Bang. It was a time when the universe had only about 5% of its current age and the first galaxies had just begun to appear. Scientists did not expect to find such a large black hole in the cosmic dawn of the universe so early in the secular history. No one has a scientific explanation of how such an enormous object can be formed in such a relatively short period of time after the birth of the universe. As an active galactic nucleus quasar hosts that giant black hole, it is both the discovery of the most distant quasar ever found. The former holder of the record of the most distant quasar was one that had been identified when the universe was about 800 million years old. Quasars are among the brightest objects in the universe. Their energy is believed to be produced by the constant development of a black hole gantry, which is constantly fed by devouring matter from gas to whole stars into the center of their grate. This particular ULAS J13420928 quasar, one of the first galaxies in the universe, is estimated to have a black hole with a mass 800 million times the mass of our Sun. The existence of such a large black hole in the early universe is expected to lead to a revision of hitherto theoretical models for the early development potential of black holes. The researchers, led by astronomer Edward Bernardo, of the Carnegie Science Institute in California, who made the relevant publication in the journal Nature, made their observations with the two Gemini telescopes in Hawaii and Chile. As they said, they estimate that in the universe there are only 20 to 100 such distant and bright quasars. And two newly Goliath-galaxies in addition. Another group of scientists, headed by astronomy professor of astronomy, Dan Marrow, of the University of Arizona, announced the discovery of two unexpected colossal galaxies in the newly universe. It is estimated that at the time of their observation with the ELO of the European Southern Observatory ESO in Chile, the two galaxies were nearly 800 million years after Big Bang and the light took about 13 billion years to reach Earth. The pair of Goliath, with a common name SPT031158, is so large that almost defeats the hitherto theories of how the universe evolved. One of the two galaxies is the largest one ever found since the universe was up to 1 billion years after Big Bang. It is estimated to have a mass of about 273 billion suns, while the smallest has a mass of only 40 billion solar masses. Any of the two galaxies would be an extreme case, and yet we found two together, said Chris Hayward, of the New York Department of Computational Astrophysics at the Flatiron Institute. There are probably only a few such objects across the sky. We are lucky to find two of them, said Maroon. Around the pair of galaxies there is an even greater dark matter that surrounds them and which is estimated to have a mass of at least 1 trillion times greater than our Sun. This is one of the most rare and extreme clumps of dark matter in the universe, said Howarth. Scientists believe that as the two galaxies are near, they will soon be merged and create the largest in the history of the universe.